In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. If your current font size is not comfortable to use for your eyesight, don't worry, you can always change it using only device's settings. To do it now, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on this section, display and touch. Then scroll again, but this time click on display size and text. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!